Hello everyone, welcome to gilgeekify channel. I hope you have a wonderful day. My name is Said Console and in this video I'm gonna show you how to create like and unlike buttons widget with animation using vanilla JavaScript. This is a front-end widget without any server request and database. You can use like buttons in your blog posts, profile page, product page, landing page, and anywhere you want in your website or web application. I will add a source code link inside the description so you can download and use it. If you enjoy my content, please like this video, click the subscribe button and turn on notification for future videos. Thank you. I start from scratch with creating HTML, CSS and JavaScript files. First I start with making a dummy post in HTML and then adding CSS for that. I'm using the Bootstrap icons library for my heart button. Adding some tags from my clipboard now. You can get a CDN link from URL icons.getbootstrap.com. I linked my CSS file and linking JavaScript file as well. Opening my HTML file in the browser. Okay, now let's create a dummy post. Adding an image here with class name post-image. I'm adding a heart icon from Bootstrap icons here and the number of counting likes for this post. Suppose this article has 127 likes. Well, now I'm adding a title and two chevron icons for this dummy post. The best laptops for graphic design in 2022. I'm adding a paragraph here. Okay, now we have a complete HTML, so let's start CSS. Adding a font from a Google Fonts API. Changing some colors. Changing position of elements. I think it's good. I want to change this paragraph style, font and the background color. It's okay now. Let's change the heart button position. I want to put the heart button on this image. Okay, now adding a bigger font size and the transition property. Adding a hover effect for the heart button with a transform scale property. Also a red color. Now I'm changing the number of likes, position and size. I'm adding a red and a white color here for changing between them with smooth in JavaScript calls. Okay, I have a CSS animation in my clipboard and I paste it here. I created this animation in the website animista.net. I named my animation Heartbeat. Well, now we have a ready dummy post. Let's start JavaScript. First I should disable that auto refresh, we don't need it more. And in JavaScript we need three variables here. Heart button, heart icon, and total likes number. I define these variables for manipulating them by HTML DOM in next steps. Okay, now adding two functions for liking and unliking. When the post isn't like, and when heart button clicked, adding heartbeat animation and red color to heart button. Adding fill to heart icon. And adding a liked ID for icon ID. Now update the number of likes plus 1 with parseInt. The parseInt method parses a value as a string and returns the first integer. Okay, now start unliking function. Adding white color to heart button. Removing fill from heart icon. Updating liked ID to not liked. And update the number of likes -1. Well, now let's add an unclick event on heart button. I define a like checker variable, and in this variable getting liked ID by element. If like checker returns null, that means the post was not liked, so I add my liking function here and unliking function here in else. Okay, now gonna test my functions. It's working fine, but with two issues. I made a mistake before in CSS for my colors. The heart icon going to red when post is liked, and it's okay now. And when the post is liked, I have an issue with the transition on hover effect. To handle this, I should remove heartbeat animation after the post is going to be liked with a delay. Now I call remove heartbeat function with a 1 second delay using setTimeout function. Okay, I think it's complete now, so let's test it. Nice, it's worked without any issue and so smooth. Thanks for watching this video, and finally let me show you something. Yes, this is how JavaScript manipulating your HTML DOM. If you enjoy my content, please like this video, click the subscribe button and turn on notification for future videos. Thank you.